What's up, Mopar family? You got me here with Black in the background here. We at All Park Car Garage getting some work done on Black. Some upper control arms by SPC. We got some Bwoody suspension kit, you know what I mean, to show up, kill all that wheel hopping, all that stuff. Yeah, we here. It's about time. It's been a while since a video, you know what I mean? Just had a couple things going on. You know what I mean? You got to schedule your appointment with the Mopar people, because MOPAR'S is the hottest things on the market right now. So this is just a quick little video, you know what I mean, update. It's been a while, but you know what I mean, things take time. Rome wasn't built in a day. So we're here now, finally gonna get our car worked on, get the suspension all dialed in, you know what I mean, by one of the best, All Park Car Garage. And if it's Mopar, it's Opar. As you see who car that is, we already see that pink thing. Yeah. What up, Mopar family? You got Tumbo here. We over here about to get Black situated. All these dents for my freaking kids. This is father life for you. You know what I mean? So we linked up with this dude Derek, and he said he gonna make me look like Glass again. Let's see, and he gonna get it done quick. So let's see. You know what I mean? All these dings, dangs, and dents. Mopar fan, can he bring it back to life? Can he bring it back to life? No one didn't tell me a Black car hit like this before. But yeah, don't worry about what that building say, because that's not what it is. It used to be a Mako, but let's see. He said he gonna get it right. Mopar fam, what's up? Let's see.
That's how clear that crap is. Damn.
Yeah, so now I'm here. Derek, say what up. Making my little YouTube video. Met this good dude. He Guyanese too. And holy shit. Oh shit. And Derek, tell him what you did for me.
We sanded, painted it, and waxed it.
Ooh, got rid of all the dents, all my dings. So I gotta kill my kids from now on. Nah, I'm just joking. But yeah, here go Black. Woo! Here go Black. Woo! You see it. Look at the sparklers. Hold on. Y'all see that? Woo! Yeah. They killed it. Remember that big dent we had right there? Gone. They killed it. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, they killed the paint job. They got Black looking right. So yeah, I'm gonna leave a link to him. He got TikTok. Trying to get him on Instagram. I'm gonna leave a link so you can contact him if you need your paint done on your car, but it's like glass. You see my reflection in it? Hey, oh, you see clear reflection. It's like glass. So yeah, hit Derek up. Good dude, solid dude. Any Guyanese, you know, got support the brethren them. And yeah. Mopar fan. That was a little chopped up video there. But you know, things all happen in time. Take time to do things. About 4 weeks in total with everything that we got done. We started out at All-Par Garage, just a review. Started out at All-Par Garage to get the Bwoody and the SBC upper control arms installed. Then from there, we went over the high-tech suspension to get the daily driven alignment, ultimate alignment, and way different from a regular dealership alignment. Then we took it over to Derek, and Derek hooked us up and got all the dents out, sprayed the car completely over, and it looks immaculate. Added a little pearl to it, so it got a little shimmer inside of it. Y'all seen all the videos and the pictures so far. But yeah, just remember, things don't happen right away. You know what I mean? They piece them together. We try to do a couple things ourselves, but you know what I mean? Sometimes it's better to get the professionals to do it. As you see, Cranberry sitting in the background at SRT. You know what I mean? Look at the merch. Don't forget to check out our website. All the merch is live right now. I'm gonna insert right after the closing here. I'm gonna insert the new merch that we got going out. We got that Mopar Boys checkered t-shirt. Probably gonna do a hoodie version of it. You know what I mean? But yeah, I appreciate y'all taking the time out to follow the Mopar Boys, follow our movement. And we appreciate it. So make sure you like, subscribe. Check us out on Instagram at Mopar Boys Car Club, and that's boys with a Z, not an S. And we'll be straight. So again, thank y'all for watching. Check y'all on the next one. Peace.